In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to n8n. By the end, you'll have a clean, reusable connection that lets your n8n workflows talk to Notion without repeating setup every time. All you need is access to your n8n instance and the Notion credentials your workspace provides. Keep those handy, and remember never to share sensitive details. Start inside n8n. On the left sidebar, open the Personal section, then head into the Credentials tab. This is the central place where n8n stores secure connections to the tools you use. Keeping credentials here means you can plug them into any workflow later with just a click, instead of re-entering the same information over and over. In the top right corner, select Create Credential. A catalog of services will appear. Use the search bar to find Notion, select it, and then continue. Picking the Notion option tells n8n which fields and authentication method to expect, so you get exactly the prompts you need for a reliable connection. Now, enter the credentials required for the Notion API connection. You'll see clearly labeled fields provided by n8n. Give your credential a clear name so you can identify it quickly in large projects. Then provide the requested values from your Notion setup. Only paste information you trust and keep it private. If your workspace uses specific scopes or permissions, make sure they align with what your workflows will do, such as reading databases or updating pages. Take a moment to double-check everything for typos. Small mistakes can cause confusing errors later. Once you're confident the details are correct, click Sub. n8n will securely store these credentials so you don't have to enter them again. With the credential saved, you can use this connection in any workflow. Add a Notion node to your canvas, and in the Credentials dropdown, select the Notion credential you just created. From there, you can configure the node to list databases, read pages, or create and update content depending on your workflow's needs. This approach keeps your automation clean and maintainable, since the logic sits in the node while the secure access lives in the Credentials tab. That's it. You navigated to Personal, opened Credentials, created a new credential, selected Notion, entered your secure details, and saved. Now your n8n workflows can connect to Notion seamlessly. If you ever need to update access, return to the same credential rather than editing every node. Thanks for watching, and happy building with Notion and n8n.